Welcome to Supernova. We dive deep into the digital age and uncover the secrets to navigating the vast sea of information. In today's video, we have an important topic to discuss: cracking the code, mastering information evaluation in the digital age. With the proliferation of information online, it's crucial to develop the skills to discern reliable sources, separate fact from fiction, and make informed decisions. So, let's unlock the secrets to becoming an expert information evaluator. Segment number 1: Understanding the challenge. Explaining the rise of misinformation and fake news. 1. Discussing the proliferation of misinformation and fake news in the digital landscape. 2. Highlighting the factors that contribute to the spread of false information, such as social media algorithms and echo chambers. 3. Shedding light on the potential consequences of believing and spreading misinformation. Impact of biased sources and echo chambers. 1. Exploring how biased sources can present information with a specific agenda or slant. 2. Discussing the concept of echo chambers and their role in reinforcing pre-existing beliefs. 3. Emphasizing the importance of being aware of biases and seeking diverse perspectives. Consequences of falling prey to misinformation. 1. Illustrating real-world examples of the detrimental effects of misinformation. 2. Discussing how misinformation can influence public opinion, decision-making, and even social and political landscapes. 3. Highlighting the need for critical thinking and information evaluation to combat the negative consequences of misinformation. By understanding the challenges posed by misinformation and biased sources, we can better appreciate the importance of developing strong information evaluation skills. Segment number 2: The art of information evaluation. Source verification. 1. Discussing the importance of verifying the credibility and expertise of information sources. 2. Exploring techniques to assess the reputation, credentials, and trustworthiness of authors, organizations, or websites. 3. Highlighting the significance of cross-referencing information with reputable sources. Fact-checking. 1. Introducing the concept of fact-checking and its role in confirming the accuracy of information. 2. Discussing reliable fact-checking organizations and tools available online. 3. Providing tips on how to fact-check information independently, such as verifying data and seeking multiple sources. Critical thinking. 1. Emphasizing the value of critical thinking in evaluating information. 2. Discussing critical thinking skills, such as questioning assumptions, analyzing evidence, and detecting logical fallacies. 3. Providing practical examples of applying critical thinking to assess the reliability and validity of information. Understanding bias. 1. Exploring the concept of bias and its influence on the presentation and interpretation of information. 2. Discussing different types of biases, such as confirmation bias and political bias. 3. Encouraging individuals to be aware of their own biases and strive for objectivity in information evaluation. By honing the art of information evaluation, we can navigate the digital landscape with confidence and make informed decisions. Segment number 3: Evaluating context and quality. Evaluating information goes beyond just the source. Let's dig deeper. Context evaluation. 1. Discussing the significance of understanding the context in which information is presented. 2. Exploring how the context can influence the credibility and reliability of information. 3. Highlighting the importance of considering factors such as the publication date, author's intent, and potential biases. Quality assessment. 1. Exploring techniques to assess the quality and reliability of information. 2. Discussing indicators of quality, such as the reputation of the source, the presence of citations and references, and the accuracy of the information. 3. Highlighting the importance of critically evaluating the sources and evidence provided to support the information. Spotting red flags. 1. Equipping viewers with tools to identify red flags that may indicate misinformation or biased content. 2. Discussing common red flags, such as sensationalism, lack of citations, and grammatical errors. 3. Providing tips on how to critically analyze information to identify potential inaccuracies or manipulation. By developing the skills to evaluate the context and quality of information, we can become more discerning consumers and avoid falling prey to misinformation. Segment number 4: Navigating the digital landscape. In this segment, we'll explore practical tips to navigate the digital landscape with confidence. Seeking diverse perspectives. 1. Emphasizing the importance of seeking diverse perspectives and avoiding echo chambers. 2. Encouraging viewers to explore different sources, viewpoints, and cultural perspectives. 3. Highlighting the value of expanding one's understanding and fostering open-mindedness. Utilizing tools and resources. 1. Introducing helpful online tools and platforms for information evaluation. 2. Discussing fact-checking websites, reputable news sources, and reference databases. 3. Exploring browser extensions or plugins that assist in identifying misinformation or unreliable sources. Building digital literacy. 1. Discussing the significance of ongoing education and staying up to date with digital trends. 2. Encouraging viewers to engage in online courses, webinars, or workshops to enhance their digital literacy skills. 3. Highlighting the value of staying informed about emerging technologies, trends, and best practices. Critical consumption. 1. Encouraging critical consumption of digital content. 2. Discussing strategies such as fact-checking claims, verifying information with multiple sources, and critically analyzing the evidence provided. 3. Empowering viewers to question, evaluate, and critically think about the information they encounter. By implementing these strategies, viewers can navigate the digital landscape more effectively, separating reliable information from misinformation. Segment number 5: The power of responsible sharing. As responsible digital citizens, it's essential to consider the impact of our own actions. Let's explore responsible sharing. 1. Discussing the ethical considerations of sharing information online. 2. Emphasizing the importance of verifying information before sharing to prevent the spread of misinformation. 3. Encouraging viewers to share reliable and credible sources, fact-checked information, and diverse perspectives. Engaging in constructive dialogue. 1. Highlighting the significance of respectful and constructive conversations in the digital space. 2. Encouraging viewers to engage in meaningful discussions, ask questions, and listen to different viewpoints. 3. Promoting empathy and understanding while addressing controversial topics or disagreements. Spreading awareness. 1. Empowering viewers to become advocates for information evaluation and responsible digital citizenship. 2. Discussing the value of sharing knowledge and resources on information evaluation with others. 3. Encouraging viewers to educate their friends, family, and community about the importance of critical thinking and reliable information. By embracing responsible sharing practices and engaging in constructive dialogue, we can contribute to a healthier and more informed digital environment. It is our collective responsibility to promote reliable information, combat misinformation, and foster a culture of critical thinking and digital literacy. Remember, each of us has the power to make a positive impact. And that brings us to the end of our video on cracking the code, mastering information evaluation in the digital age. Remember, in this age of information overload, developing strong information evaluation skills is crucial. By verifying sources, fact-checking, and critically analyzing information, we can navigate the digital landscape with confidence and make well-informed decisions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more video like this. We will see you in another one.